Okay, months of me telling you how great my car is. There it is. It's got mags, which are wheels. It's green, tinted windows. All the joys that a person my age needs. Pity it doesn't have any petrol in it at the moment. Otherwise I wouldn't be here. See, the high school's over there. The dog you hear barking is that big ass black friggin' dog we've got. I'm allergic to that tree, by the way. Wood, which we won't need for another 9 months. That's a brand new lounge. And you can't see because it's all bright and that. But over there is that picture I took for you and Nick. Oh, what else? Oh, I'm tired. So I'm gonna go. Bye.